Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Vivek and I'm a consultant physician with Apollo Clinics, Hyderabad. Today we're going to talk about self-discipline during these pandemic times of COVID. It is very important to be very disciplined to have a healthy lifestyle. Today I'm going to talk to you about certain tips that you should keep in mind so that you wouldn't get COVID, and even if you get COVID, you can come out of it very easily. The first thing is wash your hands properly and wash it at regular intervals, especially when you touch common surfaces, before eating food and after eating food, and also whenever you cough and sneeze. So it is important that you're conscious about it and wash your hands regularly so that you don't transmit the infection by touching surfaces and to yourself and also to others. Also, wear your mask properly, especially when you go out of your house into public areas, and wherever you go out of the house, try to wear your mask and wear it properly. Make sure it covers from the top of your nose to the almost to the neck level. Also, maintain social distancing. It is very important. If possible, try to maintain social distancing even at your house, and avoid visitors, and also avoid going to parties and public places and also weddings. It is very important so that you don't get transmitted. Nowadays, a lot of people are getting infected because of these things. So please make sure that you maintain social distance and you avoid public areas. Also, avoid public transport. It is very important that you do that so that you don't get infected because of overcrowding. And if you just in case get COVID, make sure you maintain home isolation for at least 14 days under medical supervision. At any point of time you feel any emergency, we at Apollo Hospitals are always available and you can approach us for any emergency that you have. Also, avoid using common things at home such as towels or utensils or linen or bedding or any like mobile phones, because these are the areas these are the things which can transmit the infection from one to another. So it is important that you take care of such kind of things in your life. Also, wash your clothes properly and in hot water, and also dry them in the sun and iron it before you wear it. Avoid using restrooms, multiple people using the same restroom. Try to have your own restroom, and whenever you use the restroom, make sure you clean it or you spray with alcohol-based sanitizers or 1% sodium hypochlorite so that next time whoever goes in won't be getting infected and the areas will be clean. So these are some of the tips that you should also keep in mind, such as eating balanced diet. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables, drink plenty of juices, and avoid oily food and sugared food. It is very important to take very low oil and low sugars during these pandemic times. And also drink plenty of water. At least drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. And make sure that all these tips are being taken care of, and especially whenever you have a lot of waste that is being to be discarded properly, and make sure you wash your hands after you discard the waste. And regularly exercise. At regular intervals, you should make sure that you exercise so that almost on a daily basis, so that your body's metabolism is high and your immunity is better and your chance of getting infected is also low. Do not take any kind of stress, because stress is something which can aggravate infections and which can reduce your immunity. The less stress you take, the better is your immunity. And at least sleep for 6 to 8 hours in a day. A good sleep is very important for a proper rejuvenation of the human body. So these are the tips that I want you to follow, and if you can follow such kind of tips, not only you won't get COVID, you will not even transmit it to others, just in case even if you get COVID. So all the best and take care. Thank you.